ONO is a blockchain-based social network, and actually we have our mainnet also. So we provide to the users a very decentralized social network, and we already have over 3 million users all around the world, and people are creating the content, and they can earn the tokens by creating the contents. And also we will have our mainnet, and we will invite lots of developers to join us and build the dApps on the ecosystem. Yeah, actually, because in the centralized platform, the centralized company will keep the users' data, and so that we will see lots of the centralized content companies such as like Facebook and Chinese Facebook like Weibo, they are controlling the users' data. So that will cause lots of problems that we already know. So a blockchain will provide decentralized solutions to keep our users' data, like you own your words. Yeah, that's basically how we use a blockchain, and we are using the depose plus BFT to solve the problem may happen in POS and POW, because to run a super dApp like ONO already have 3 million users, we need the TPS goes very well. So we need a very stable and best solution to use the blockchain. Yeah. We are different from the other blockchain company. We have our product to the end users. So we have a dApp company, which we have like 78 employees there, and they are building the social network dApp. And we already have our mainnet also. And so we are using the two different technology, but we're building the bridge between these two technology together. Yeah, one is I just explained. For the blockchain side, we are using the EOS.io software, and we edited it. And we are still using the depose plus BFT, but it's better for the TPS, our solution to use the blockchain. And we are using another way to build the dApp also. Yeah, so basically it's all in our white paper. Yeah, so maybe if you are interested in, like, you want to dive deeper, maybe you can go to www.ono.chat to see deep side. Yeah, thanks. You see, we are now in a bear market right now. So it is because in the past 12 months, we are building lots of bubbles in this industry. Lots of scammers and bad entrepreneur. They are not really entrepreneur. They are like want to get quick money. And lots of money rush into this industry, so brings lots of trouble and bubbles there. So I think the bear market is good, and it will continue like in the next 12 months, I think. So the goal of the bear market is to clean out all the bubbles. So I think after in next 18 months, I think the people need the real company and doing real things. So that's why I think dApp will be the next most potential stuff in this industry, because the users and investors need the user experience. Not only not everyone knows the code well, right? So people need to use it, something to use, really useful. Yeah. Actually, I entered in this industry very early. I was a Bitcoin miner in 2013, and I owned 20,000 Bitcoins that time. I was a student in UCL, and there is a big investor in China named Li Xiaolai, was my GRE lesson teacher. So he was a teacher before. So he suggested me to buy Bitcoins, and then I bought some and I earned a little bit. I feel very interested in this because I read the white paper, and I feel like, oh, it's so amazing. Like no one knows who created this, and there are just some codes, and it's like a stock market. So and then like I dive deeper and I become a miner. And but unfortunately, I didn't know it so well like now. So in the 2014, I sold out all my Bitcoins. Otherwise, I would become a billionaire. Anyway, so I become an entrepreneur in the internet industry in 2014 because of this experience. And then I entered in the blockchain industry again in 2016. So pretty much I'm a OG in this industry now. But it's been very nice to know about blockchain, and I think it's really will solve the humans' problem. Like people need to be like decentralized. So what I think of the blockchain, it is not only a technology. It's about there are lots of invisible behind it. It's about the public governance and philosophy and economics. Yeah, so it's very diversified. So this is pretty much I feel about blockchain. Yeah, I really, it's my honor to be in the blockchain. You see the consensus is very well known everywhere, and it is pretty much the top tier conference all around the world in the blockchain industry. So yeah, we definitely want to be one of it. Yeah, it is a connection, like to connect all around the world. Like we are in the. This is the magic about blockchain too. Like we have different backgrounds, different nationalities, and different skins, and we speak different languages. But because of this, we connect each other. Yeah, it's just, I think consensus, this kind of conference, will bring people together, and we talk each other, and we can better improve the industry.